Hello, welcome friends to another video. In this video, we will be reading a verse that is pretty short, but it is very beautiful. Para ustedes que no se sienten muy cómodos solamente escuchándome hablar en inglés, les recomiendo poner los subtítulos en inglés para los que tienen un nivel intermedio y en español para los que tienen un nivel un poco más básico. Pero este video es importante para todos los niveles porque es muy importante practicar con la escucha y la comprensión. So, let's get started. John 1:5 says, "The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it." Okay, the first phrase says, "The light shines in the darkness." Okay, the light. Light is something that is bright, that shines, that gives brightness, like the sun, or like a lamp, or even like my candle here. The light shines, this verse says. To shine is the verb for what a light does when it's on, when it's working. It's giving light. The sun shines in the day. The lamp shines when I turn it on. But here it says the light shines in the darkness. Okay, dark is an adjective that's the opposite of light. Dark is when there's no light. It's black and you can't see. Darkness is the state of being dark. The darkness is a place where there is no light. So this verse says that the light is shining in a place where there is no light. This verse in Spanish says, "La luz brilla en la oscuridad." Okay, the second phrase says, "And the darkness has not overcome it." Okay, let's start learning this phrase with the verb, to overcome. Overcome is when there are two things fighting. If one of them is stronger, it overcomes. It's like to win a battle, to overcome, to be stronger than. But here it says the darkness has not overcome. So the not changes it to the opposite, to the negative. So that means that the darkness was not stronger than it. It here as a word refers to the light. So we could say this phrase is, "And the darkness has not overcome the light." That is to say, the light is stronger than the darkness. The light can keep shining and giving light even if there was darkness. Okay, now it's time for you to practice. I will read a part and I want you to repeat after me, trying to copy exactly how I say each word and each phrase. Let's get started. The light shines. In the darkness. And the darkness has not overcome it. John chapter 1, verse 5. Okay, now I am going to read this verse, but I will read it in context. I am going to read verses 1 through 5. These are very famous verses, so I hope some of them are familiar to you, and I hope you can understand at least verse 5. I am going to read all the verses at a natural speed, as if I were reading them to a group of friends. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was with God in the beginning. Through him all things were made. Without him nothing was made that was made. In him was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. John 1, verses 1 through 5. Okay, I hope you learned something in this video, and if you would like to watch more videos where I explain in English, here is a playlist of all the videos like this one. I hope to see you in a class, in another video, or in the comments. Bye!